Okay, so it's been a while since I actually came on here and talked. Last time I recorded anything, I was still working with Tailwind CSS, just trying to get used to it, building small stuff, landing pages and all that. But yeah, since then, a lot has actually happened. I didn't really record most of it though, I was just working. Simply, because I had some other things that I had to get to, and I needed to fully understand what I was doing before I even decided to come and talk about it. I didn't really, I moved into JavaScript at some point. I didn't even make a video about it. I just started learning it, breaking things, fixing things, you know how it is. And now I'm in React, which is basically a framework of JavaScript. It helps you build the front end of a website or an application, basically, which is I don't even know, it just feels different, because before it was just building pages like static stuff. Now it's more like building something that actually works, like proper applications. Right now we are working on projects. There is a group project that we are doing. The group project would help us as we are learning, so that we can fully understand why certain things work in certain ways. And we are building it as a class, and once it's completed, we will officially make it live on the internet. We have gone too far in it that we are reached to the point of authentication. Right now, everything just works on our local computers. We went in, we learned about Git, what GitHub is, how to use GitHub, and the likes. But the main focus is actually my own project. It's called Bug Review. So it's nothing so crazy. It's just a place where someone can come in, drop a bug they are facing, and then other people can just reply with solutions. Very simple. There is no admin dashboard, no complex system, just user. So it's a single user website. Our instructor instructed us that is how it should be, because he doesn't want it to be something so complicated. Because for us to build something so complicated, it will take us a while, and we have less than a month to actually bring this. But actually building it, it's not as simple as it sounds, because now I'm dealing with things like authentication, like I mentioned earlier. Making sure that users can sign in properly, things like that. The way I'm styling now is different, because the way I usually used to style, if you have watched any of my previous videos, is basically like not with intention. I mostly just put what works, and then I say it, and I'm basically doing this thing where I see the result and I get this dopamine hit of satisfaction. But now I am building it in such a way that it looks good but also feels right, so that when people can come in, the website wouldn't just be something so flashy. It will be something that is full of intention, something that when people hop in, they can relate and be able to interact with the website. Right now it's basically just the landing page that we're building, the landing page where users can come in and sign in. That's basically it. But I'm going to go further. We are going to go further, because as we are building it, the same time as we are building the group project. So basically in class, when we do one thing in class, by the time we get home, we are to build that same thing we did in class in our own project, but in our own way, so that it can be unique to us and our own particular project. But there are still a lot of bugs though, obviously. Some of them I fix fast, some of them just I'm looking at it and I don't even know what's going on. But I'm still figuring it out. I just wanted to come on here and actually let you guys know how things have been, because I didn't really do that before, and I was just learning without saying anything. So this is where I'm at right now, still building, still learning, still trying to figure things out.